Namaste friends, all best wishes as always. I am here along with Dr. Bhushan Kelkar and I am going to ask him, you have prepared this app called Career Clock. When I was going through that, I thought it would be very useful for UPSC in general, but especially for those who are preparing for the interview, especially the activity for TAF and everything. So please explain how it is useful.
Okay, so this app is called Career Clock and this is available on Google Play Store and it is a free app. And as the name suggests, it is Career Clock, which stands for metaphorical 12 hours. And these hours are nothing but building blocks of career. So this includes your co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities, your academic journey, your hobbies. In fact, you would have guessed by now that this is very much mapping onto how to write your DAF. And this is also very useful for many questions which are pertaining to personality related aspects in the actual UPSC interview. For example, but not limited to, describe yourself, why should we select you, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, how your friends describe you. So there are many things which are covered in this app. And this is hardly 5 seconds for you to download. And once you have downloaded the app, you are going to answer 12 questionnaires. And this should not take more than 8 to 9 minutes, and it's only one time activity for now. And once that is done, you are going to select minimum 5, but I'm going to suggest 10 to 15 people from your contact list who you think know you better. And so they will also get an SMS to download this app, and then they will give you feedback. And this feedback is very important from what is known as Johari window perspective. So you will know descriptors which not only you think are right about you, but they are endorsed by other people. So it is not left as only figment of your imagination. So all these things put together, you will be able to see where you stand with respect to your peers. It will give you your strengths, it will give you your areas of improvement on 12 accounts, and will also show you how Industry 4.0 ready you are. All of this is free of cost, very useful for DAF, very useful for interviews in general, but especially for UPSC. So I would suggest that students download this from Google Play Store. The name is Career Clock and it's very easy to use. So looking forward to meeting you through Career Clock soon. Thank you.